person for never posting the video from Monday. I apologize. I did film a mukbang yesterday. I just didn't post it. I don't know why. So I'm sorry about that. We are going to be having some Martha Stewart fish tacos tonight. I would like to just start off by saying all of my love goes to everyone who is in Orlando. That was absolutely a complete travesty. Any sort of shooting like that is completely uncalled for and unnecessary, and those people need to be, the blame needs to be put on the horrible people who do that thing. And also I want to send my love to Christina, I think her last name is Grimini's family. That is so devastatingly sad to lose a 22-year-old beautiful young lady with just an amazing voice. That is incredibly sad, and I'm really sorry. I don't want to start this video off in a sad note. Some good news about my grandpa. He is home. He's doing a lot better. My grandma said today that he was able to shower and get up and walk around. So really good news. It's almost been, tomorrow will be a week from when his surgery was. So he's doing really good for a 1 week post-op. All right. I think we said all of the things that we were gonna say. Now I'm gonna smoke these. I'm gonna eat these. I hate that corn tortillas get cold so quickly. Bummer. I might stick these in the microwave for a second. Just because I really hate cold corn tortilla shells. 1 second. Alright, I'm sorry about that. And I added some sour cream to them, heated them up, and I grabbed some Tapatio. Just give me a moment. We'll talk about some things. I think I'm gonna have to go back and watch my wings video where I supposedly was rude and talked a whole bunch of shit about Trisha. I feel like I've been pretty, what's the word for it? Apparent, obvious. I try to be obvious with my fact that I don't hate Trisha. I watch her videos every day, almost. Like, I would never hate watch somebody. And if you're right now hate watching this video, thanks for the view, girl. It was never my intention, when I talk about Trisha, it's never my intention for it to come off as like me hating on her. Somebody commented today on that Wings video that I'm jealous of her subscribers. How many subscribers she has. No, she worked her ass off for that many subscribers. I'm not jealous at all. I think it's amazing. Good for her. It takes a lot of work to get to that level of YouTube. And it doesn't happen by talking shit about other people. I know that. But that's also not necessarily true, because there's lots of channels that are devoted to gossip. And they have good amount of subscribers too. I still feel bad about not posting that mukbang on Monday. Oh, I got one of those peppers. I posted a cooking video for this. Or I will post it. I recorded one. Never again with these corn tortillas. You really have to fry them. That's the best way to do corn tortillas. No! I'm sure my mouth is a mess too. I've done so much today. Before I did this video, I cleaned my dog's ears and I did their nails. It's always such a pain in the ass. But once it's done, it's like, oh. Now that doesn't have to be done for a couple weeks again. It saves us so much money just doing it ourselves. I could have even put more serrano, more peppers. I don't know why I always thought they were called serrano. And then a girl the other day at Whole Foods corrected me. I do that a lot though, that I say things one way and then somebody will correct me rudely. I mean, go ahead and correct me, but be nice about it. I must be about to get my period. I'm like super sensitive today. The one thing negative I will say about Trish is if her and Mark are fucking, his wife better fucking get that money and hit the road, because I would be disgusted if that were my husband and he was fucking Snapchatting with some white bitch with her legs all up on my husband, and he's like touching her legs and shit, and Trisha's rubbing on him like, and he doesn't wear a wedding ring, so maybe he's not even married, but from Instagram it looks like he's married. I'm just a stalker McGee, talking shit all the time. That's not talking shit, that's gossip. I love gossiping. That's fun. It's not meant in a mean-spirited way. This is a mess. I'm sorry. For the people who say I eat disgusting, I do sometimes. Doesn't really need more lime, but why not? Bitch, please. That doesn't help. really pretty good. I'll tell you in a second why I'm not in love with these. So I marinated this fish in lime juice, salt, pepper, bunch of other shit. When I pulled that motherfucker out of the refrigerator, a worm was laying there dead in my marinade. So that's good. As long as you cook the meat thoroughly, you're fine. So that's why I like killed that fish. It was so overcooked. It was so dry. But I don't want worms. That's why they tell you be careful with raw fish. Because as long as you cook fish up to the right temperature, it will kill the worm. But if not, that MFer is gonna live inside your body. I got my hair in soapy water. Chicken soap water. And I just showered. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna go so I stop complaining. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like some more. I make videos Monday through Friday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, we're not doing dinner. I'm going to a friend's house for dinner, so we'll do probably ramen. And I picked up some things at Tule Shore. So that will be our video for tomorrow. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.